Welcome to SOS Electronic. Today we will have a look at how protect your connections with DT series of IP6K9K connectors from TE Connectivity. Let's build a connector tailored to your needs straight from our range. Robust, waterproof industrial connectors from the DT series, available in multiple mounting options, are an ideal choice when you need a perfectly reliable, vibration-resistant contact connection. They were originally developed for the automotive industry, and thanks to their reliability and rugged build, they've become so successful that several reputable manufacturers now produce them. Over time, the DT series has essentially become an industry benchmark. They are incredibly tough, yet lightweight, fully compatible with other brands, and reassuringly available on the market. Give them a try and see for yourself why they rank among the most successful industrial connectors in their class. The value they deliver far outweighs the price tag. They are suitable for equipment in many diverse industrial branches where a highly reliable contact connection is essential, a wide operating temperature range is expected, vibration resistance is required, and the connector itself can be fixed to the frame. On top of that, a lightweight connector contributes to overall weight savings. Typical applications include automotive industry, construction machinery, agricultural machinery, food and beverage industry, machine tools, and aerial drones. More technical information, our recommendation for practical tools, as well as key features and benefits of the DT family connectors can be found on our website. One to mention is protection rating of IP68 to IP6K9K. That is among the highest and strictest enclosure ratings used in the industry. The most popular industrial DT series connectors from TE Connectivity are now part of our product range and ready for your projects. We can also source other rectangular industrial connectors under favorable conditions. We invite you to try a sample for your project. If you are interested in more information or if you need technical advice, reach out at soselectronic.com and we'll be happy to assist you.